We change the market with the innovative solutions, from the beginning to end, step by step. Here in R&D department we create the product that was once just an idea. This is the place where every journey begins. Our engineers are responsible for the mechanical solutions in created devices. We seek the best solutions that meet not only the visual requirements of the customer, but also fit in all the European norms, safety procedures and functionality. Paying attention to every detail, we prepare full technical concept of the future product. Our colleagues are responsible for the construction and quality of every element in the device. But that's not the end. Their technical knowledge and creativity reflect in shape and form. Our hallmark is an innovative design. Majority of the electrical modules requires dedicated software to complete advanced functions. Our specialists create the software according to the best practice. Next step is testing the stability of the system and see how it performs in different surroundings. Thanks to the thorough tests conducted by our team, we are sure that the driver works impeccable and safe. In-company software enables us to develop it swiftly and implement immediate changes. Each project requires the creation of dedicated electronics to meet all the functional and legal requirements of the new device. The electronic modules are then optimized for manufacturing. We seek for the best quality components to maintain the high standards of the product. Our experts perform measurements and stability tests, during which they are supported by simulations. Our R&D department is equipped with modern devices, which enables us to carry out a number of complex research and testing. We are prepared for any project, from medical equipment to technologies used in food industry and small household appliances. The first electronic prototypes are built on site. Assembly of individual components is done manually using professional tools. We verify design of all the components and check the possibility of future transfer to advanced production lines. From several versions produced, we select the one that meets all the requirements of the product. The success of any project lies in the teamwork. Joint analysis of the problem allows to see all the aspects and choose the best solution. The centerpiece of our laboratory is a shielded tent where we can perform preliminary EMC tests. A precisely tailored EMC test program will allow you to identify potential problems and quickly find effective solutions. The final confirmation of compliance with all the standards takes place in an external accredited unit. If you're looking for a manufacturer that will create for you your own line of equipment under your own brand, tailored to your needs, you have come to the right place. CM International, developer of innovative solutions.